Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming core skills, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, then pick a single stack to focus on so you avoid scatter. Start 2 tangible projects, a static portfolio and a responsive demo, then push both to GitHub with meaningful commits. This proves habit. Once done, make your README explain decisions and list features. You do not need perfection, but you must complete and deploy. That momentum opens interview conversations and gives concrete work to show recruiters. You now deepen technical credibility by building a full-stack CRUD app with authentication and at least basic tests. Explain trade-offs in the README so interviewers see your thinking. Make short demo videos and deploy live on Netlify or Versal, then connect live URLs to your portfolio. Once done, ramp up outreach. Contribute to one open-source issue, join meetups, and send tailored applications. Aim for quality in 5 per week rather than mass applying without context. You finish by preparing interview materials, 10 concise behavioral stories, system design notes, and coding challenge practice so you can shift between contexts smoothly. During offers, compare salary, equity, TOE, and growth opportunities. Ask clarifying questions before deciding. If responses dry up, troubleshoot. Audit your portfolio for clarity, request one mentor or peer review, then iterate projects and application materials. Make small, measurable changes and reapply. Consistent improvement beats rare perfection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.